Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hoping you have a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Filecoin, seeing what's going on. We have our X marks the spot on the chart there for confirmation above the cloud. Congrats to our community members for taking some nice healthy profit on Filecoin. With our swing trade, we got really close to our entry, or sorry, our profit target. I think is 905. We wicked up to $9.01, but we did take nice profits here on Chainlink, 31%, ENJ 214, XRP 57, ICP 20. And of course, another Litecoin at 84% there. So awesome stuff. Congrats to our community members for that. If you're interested in trade signals, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. I've also got a trading academy and university, basically just teaching you everything I know. So let's talk about Filecoin and quickly double check a few key factors. I'm curious about liquidation because I know there's been a lot of shorts entering the market once the price wicked up above that $9 mark. It's actually not too bad. If we take a look here, kind of zooming in this last 7 days of liquidation, we got some liquidation upwards about 975, and of course just above the price action about 910. Okay, so all that stuff kind of helps us understand generally there's more people trying to short than long, giving us consideration that there might be a resistance that's in, but also the fact that the shorts are going to get destroyed. There's that too. Keep in mind, last 12 hours we can see a different scenario here as well, kind of even above and below the price action. Very common to see this when the price kind of hits a more recent high. Okay. So again, it's kind of where we're at here. Let's go ahead and double check a couple of things and make sure we understand kind of where we're at here. So with the daily time frame, let's work our way down. We'll go ahead and remove this X so we kind of know we've already got confirmation there. Let's double check a few things. So again, when we look at the big picture, most coins are going to be exuding the same behavior. Above all moving averages, we're above 70 on the RSI. Stochastic is swinging up, however. This is a new thing with that more recent increase, which is good. That tells us we're kind of early in this phase where the price action should continue higher. We do have an MACD FU-ish. It's not really too much to note there, honestly, just letting us know this digression has subsided and the price action could continue up. So with all this volume, I feel confident that Filecoin is going to continue to that $9 to $10 range. I think it's pretty safe to say that's the case. We've broken through this resistance that we talked about previously at about 815. That's why we felt confident taking a trade there with a daily candlestick closure above that. So again, a lot of reasons why the price action should continue further up. There's no doubt that it's moderately overextended, and a correction would make sense too. Let's talk about that. 4-hour time frame. First of all, we are actually not that terrible. It looked a lot worse in the bigger picture, but truthfully here, we're only up to a 6. So we've been moving for about 24 hours in the same direction. With this consolidative pattern here, though, testing the more recent high of 862, that could be the new support level for us. Okay. Again, I haven't updated our fibs yet because this daily candlestick hasn't closed yet. But generally speaking, that's roughly where we're at there. Okay. We can also double check that stochastic RSI is swinging down, trying to. So we could see a further continuation of the downside, and also we can see money flow index extremely high. When the MFI is high and the RSI is lower than that, that's a very bullish side. Again, it's the concept of people viewing this coin as a good value still, right? And then concurrently, we have tons of volume to support the current value. So it really just implies the price action has more propensity to increase and less likelihood of decreasing. Same thing as well when we take a look at the MACD. It's plateauing, so to speak, but hasn't shown any significant downtrend, letting us know that we're still in good shape here. We're also above this volume profile as average true range or point of control, and you can call it many different things. $8.20. That is that level, that healthy level, knowing that being above it, we're pretty safe, especially being above all moving averages. So again, nice to see the moving averages kind of hanging out right there at that level, letting us know that we got good support below us. Okay. Last but not least, Ichimoku Cloud. All green lights here to leave your long position open. Okay, we're seeing this with a lot of coins right now, but generally speaking, there is zero reason to consider a short. Okay, so if you're like the short heavy kind of folk that keeps getting liquidated and you're wondering why, you probably want to join our community because most people that are getting destroyed are finding success with our community. Mainly because I'm just have a conservative approach. I've been trading traditional markets 20 years, or obviously not crypto the entire time, but generally speaking, I can tell you that those conservative trading habits work very well in crypto, and no one's getting destroyed in our trading community. In fact, last month I had our first 100% month. We took 0 losses last month, only 1 stop loss the month before, giving us a pretty high average profit of 104 per trade. So really cool stuff there, folks. Again, congrats to our members for that. And once more, low leverage allows for us to survive the ebbs and flows of the market. And that's how swing trading is all about. You got to be able to trust the TA and let it go. I talk to my community all the time about how important it is to set it and forget it. You can't do that with day trading, folks. It's a different story altogether. But at this point, I think Filecoin has a really solid chance here to continue further up. I think the $9 to $10 range is pretty substantial reality for us. Okay, awesome stuff. Last but not least, Filecoin is being added, or if not, is already available on Bitunix. They're adding over 200 trading pairs on the 3rd. That is tomorrow, later this evening. And essentially, just note that if you want to join our trading community, do so. You have to use the link to register, but all you got to do is hit log in. You have to actually enter this event in order to be eligible. We need 60 members. We only have 7 in the last 24 hours. We need to pick that up, folks. Make sure you register for that. And everything's down below if you need to know. But pretty simple, nice little 10K prize pool for profit and loss ratio, trading volume, and my favorite one is the lucky draw. 10 random traders are given 400 USD. So it's awesome. Check that out in your own time. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Take care.